Hi guys, welcome to my channel and to another video. Today we will go through the process I use to create an acrylic canvas painting, and we will also go through some important art supplies. This video does not provide the full process as it will be split into other parts. So these are some of my figure sketches which were made beforehand, and depending on the one which I prefer most, I will apply color to basically get a general idea of what the finished painting will look like. This is the paintbrush which I used for my painting, and this is the palette knife used for the background. These are Winsor Newton colors. This is cadmium yellow, Naples yellow, yellow ochre, burnt umber and crimson, being all warm colors used for the figure, and also making use of titanium white. So normally I start out from the background using the palette knife, and then I focus on the figure. Here I started giving an idea of the figure, as you may see, using crimson red to symbolize the dark areas, while titanium white and Naples were used to highlight lighter parts. I continued the same process which was applied for the shoulders, also applied to other body parts. In this case, we can see this is being applied to her arm to get again an idea of the dark and lighter parts. I tend to first apply an acrylic all over the canvas as a first layer and then get into detail afterwards. As soon as I finish my first layer on the figure, I will then move on the fabric, which at first I was going with the idea of having a blue shade. By time I changed my mind, so then I applied a lighter shade of red or pink basically. However, the same process was applied. It is important to be careful to apply dark colors only to dark parts which are specific, otherwise it will be even harder to get that area to a lighter shade again at a later stage, from my experience. As I already said, this is the part where I changed my mind, while fortunately enough being just in time to adjust to the new color. So these yellow ochre strokes symbolize the reflection of the human figure on the fabric, which will again show an overall integrated painting, while also making use of the titanium white to blend from the dark parts to the lighter parts, as you will see in the video. At this point, I started getting a bit into detail while forming the first layer, as to give a clear picture of the flow of the fabric.